In this video, we will count down the top 4 thermal imaging cameras for 2025 comparing resolution, range, build quality, and price so you can pick the perfect model for your projects. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 4. Mastfuyi FY12. The Mastfuyi FY12 handheld thermal imager, a precision-built powerhouse designed for professionals who demand accuracy, durability, and versatility. This handheld thermal imaging camera captures temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius. It features a wide 50 by 50 degree field of view and a stunning resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. With 57,600 temperature detection points, it ensures no thermal anomaly goes unnoticed. Built tough, the FY12 is waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant up to 1.5 meters. Its durable ABS plastic body is engineered for the field, whether you are inspecting underfloor heating, automotive engines, power lines, or circuit boards. The FY12 also offers 15 false color display modes, including deep blue, ironbow, rainbow, and black hot, allowing you to customize thermal visuals to your specific inspection needs. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort even during extended use, while the built-in 4 GB memory card stores up to 30,000 BMP images for easy analysis on your computer. Automatic tracking of high, low, and center temperatures is available in real time. Emissivity and measuring distance are fully adjustable, ensuring precise readings across various materials and ranges from 0.3 meters to 3 meters. With USB Type-C fast charging, over 7 hours of usage, and a full recharge in just 3 hours, the Mastfuyi FY12 delivers consistent performance when it matters most. Whether you work in industrial maintenance, energy, agriculture, or electronics, the FY12 is your go-to solution for fast, reliable thermal diagnostics. Number 3. MiLESEEY TR256E. The MiLESEEY TR256E thermal imaging camera, a high-performance device designed for serious diagnostics in professional environments. At its core is a 256 by 192 resolution infrared sensor, delivering sharp, fluid thermal images with a 50 Hz refresh rate. This ensures real-time monitoring and swift identification of temperature changes, making it ideal for dynamic and fast-paced inspection tasks. The TR256E excels in temperature sensitivity, with a temperature resolution as precise as 0.1 degrees Celsius and a noise-equivalent temperature difference of 40 millicloven. This level of precision allows you to detect even the slightest temperature variations, which is crucial for electrical systems, mechanical diagnostics, and building assessments. Powered by a 5,000 mAh battery, this thermal imager provides up to 12 hours of continuous use, significantly reducing downtime during fieldwork. It also features a built-in LED flashlight, perfect for low-light inspections, and is tested for drop resistance from 2 meters, ensuring rugged durability. Users can select from 4 different color palettes, giving flexibility to visualize thermal data based on specific inspection needs. These options enhance clarity, enabling you to highlight temperature differences or anomalies with ease. From vehicle diagnostics to HVAC systems, industrial maintenance, and electrical inspections, the MiLESEEY TR256E is designed to boost both accuracy and efficiency in a wide range of professional applications. This is more than just a thermal camera. It is a reliable partner in precision diagnostics. Number 2. ABFR X500. The ABFR X500 infrared thermal imager is a powerful diagnostic tool designed to detect hidden heat issues in vehicles, electronics, and home infrastructure. Equipped with a 256 by 192 resolution infrared sensor, this device produces 49,152 pixel thermal images, delivering clear and crisp visuals for precise analysis. Its wide 56 by 42 degree field of view captures more area in each frame, allowing you to spot hidden problems with ease. It features an impressive temperature measurement range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, outperforming many competitors on the market. With a thermal sensitivity of 0.7 degrees Celsius, it detects even the most subtle temperature differences, ideal for spotting vehicle electrical faults, HEVC issues, or heat leaks in buildings. The RX500 supports automatic hot and cold spot tracking with real-time center point temperature monitoring. Users can adjust emissivity across 4 surface types: matte, semi-matte, semi-glossy, and glossy for accurate results on different materials. Choose from 5 color palettes: spectra, iron, cool, white, and black to visualize thermal data effectively. The 2.8-inch display offers a clear interface, and the dual light fusion mode combines thermal and visible images for improved diagnostics. Powered by a 2200 mAh removable lithium battery, the RX500 offers up to 3 hours of operation and supports USB connectivity for image and video export. It stores data in JPG or MP4 format on a built-in 4 GB EMIC memory. Built for versatility, this tool excels in automotive, electrical, plumbing, and building inspections, delivering professional-grade thermal imaging in a handheld device. Number 1. TOOLTOP ET692C. The TOOLTOP ET692C professional thermal imaging camera offers high-precision diagnostics with a compact design and powerful performance. Featuring a 256 by 192 infrared resolution and a 3.2-inch LCD screen, it captures subtle temperature variations in real time with a 25 Hz refresh rate for smooth and accurate thermal imaging. With a temperature measurement range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, the ET692C supports both Celsius and Fahrenheit units. It automatically tracks hot, cold, and center points, displaying temperature data instantly for efficient fault detection. Its dual imaging system combines infrared with visible light. Users can adjust fusion rates from 0% to 100%, providing full control over visual clarity. This is particularly useful for identifying pipeline leaks, overheating components, or hidden electrical faults. The ET692C includes 5 color palettes: rainbow, iron oxide red, cold color, white hot, and black hot, enhancing thermal contrast depending on the environment or task. Emissivity is fully adjustable from 0.01 to 1.0, ensuring accurate readings across various surfaces. Built with a 2,200 mAh lithium battery, the device supports up to 3 hours of operation, and its 8 GB internal memory stores photos and videos in JPG and MP4 formats. Files can be exported via Type C USB and analyzed offline using PC software compatible with Windows systems. Ideal for electrical inspections, industrial maintenance, HVAC checks, and environmental monitoring, the ET692C is a reliable professional-grade thermal imager built for everyday use. There you have it. These are the 4 best thermal imaging cameras you can buy in 2025. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. And if this guide helped you, please like, subscribe for more reviews.